Holy cow, it's cold. What's going on, YouTube? Excellent laborer here. Today I gotta run and go get some building supplies so you can tag along. Damn, I'm a wuss when it comes to cold. What do we have here? Looks like the wind blew my door open. Alright, I'm just gonna run in here real quick and just get a quick reference of all the stuff I need to pick up today. I live too dang far from Lowe's and Home Depot. Wow. Look guys, a bunch of excellent laborers. What on earth is this guy doing? Let's go ask him. Yeah, what are you guys up there doing?
Working on signs.
Awesome, you guys do good work. Dude, I'm just so psyched to be in here. This is like every excellent laborer's favorite store. It says ladders for sale, but I'm just not seeing them. Just, you got any tips for anybody who wants to be an excellent laborer?
Let's see. Do a great job. So you get references. Be polite and be thoughtful.
All right, excellent tip. Thank you. So this is where all the duck men come to hang out. And I got my duck work, bruh. And just look at all this wire. If that does not get someone excited, I don't know what would. I am looking for those Romex cable connectors. Oh, I am horrible with finding stuff. My wife will tell you that. Can't find. I don't want that one with the lock nut. Oh, here we go. No, where in the heck are they? Aha, nope. Here we go. That'll do. That's what I need. This is one cool thing Lowe's does, is they separate old work boxes and new work boxes. So if you're building a new house, you want to be here. The reason why I need to get some of these, because I had 3 12-2 wires coming into a box, so it had to be a 20 cubic inch box, because I had a bunch of these 18s and they just don't meet code for 3 12-2 wires. One thing I wanted to show you that most people don't know, if you look inside the box, it actually tells you, oh, it's upside down, how many of what size wires can go in a box, depending on the cubic inch. Just a good, excellent laborer tip. All right, so we need 7 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right.
I look like I'm actually doing it, right?
Yeah. So how does it count the feet?
Got like a little.
Gotcha. That's really cool.
It usually goes a lot smoother when it's actually put on the machine, right? Too.
Yeah, yeah. I can see where that would make a big difference. Awesome. That thing works pretty smooth, huh? Yeah. Looks like we're up to 45, almost. Yep. When if you my hope. Yeah. There you go. On the hook.
Oh, we're at 60, so.
60, we're getting there.
Pretty much made it. Just.
Yep. 10 more feet. That's gonna add some weight to it.
Are you just running straight from the panel all the way to the.
Yeah. Yeah, typically they're home runs right to it. This kind of came on full clear. Yeah.
Take my a lot easier.
Yep.
65.
We're getting there. 5 more foot. Under that, some heavy gauge wire.
Let's see, our machine does not.
Oh, we're getting it. We're getting it. There it is. All right. Excellent work. All right. Let's see how much all this comes up to. All right, guys. I just made it out of there without having a conniption. Came up about $700 for all that wire. Can you believe that? Insane. All right, guys. That's my little trip to Lowe's today. You know, when you're building your own house, it's just something you got to do. I was going to take back all these plumbing fittings that I didn't need, but I am not going to worry about it. I'm just going to use them on the next house. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Check out the description for different items you've seen in this video, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.